Alrighty, so today we're here doing the maiden flight of the Freewing Me-262. Beautiful plane we picked up from Ocean RC in the green kind of paint job camo scheme, if you will. We're going to take and throw in one of our Lemon Stability Plus gyro stabilized radios receivers in this, and we'll just see what it wants to do. We're flying with a Gens Ace. I think it's a 5,000 milliamp 6-cell battery in here, and it fits beautifully into the battery hatch. So yeah, I think that's kind of the details here. Let's get out on the flight line and see how this does. All right, for better or worse, here's our maiden of the 262.
Nice save. You just really wanted to taxi it past me twice, didn't you?
So, for better or worse, here's our second attempt at the maiden of the 262. So, there we have the wreckage of the 262. Oh, we can cut.
She's in better condition than I expected from what I can see so far.
No, it's bad. Oh yeah.
I mean,
well, it did eject the battery.
could be a lot worse.
Oh, it's not good. I mean, look how the thing's completely ripped off the wing.
Yeah.
All right.
Still stick a propeller in there.
All right. Well, why would you grab the battery? You know, I hate to say it, but I couldn't keep her in a straight line if I had to. Well, I think the gyro actually bit me on this one. You know, Tate, when he crashed the twin Hornet, poured water out. I have a different problem. Oh well.
All right. Will this be the maiden flight? We're gonna find out. No fear. Okay, that was kind of squirrely and completely terrifying. Okay. Got something going on. I don't like it. Alright, there's something going on up there. I'm not a fan. I'm going to bring her down early. Everything seems fine, but I think I've just got too much aileron control right now. So. Little snow.
Little snow.
Little snow.
Little snow.
All right, we're gonna go get that. Okay.
Try again. That's one way to cool your engines.
Right?
So as you can see, there's a fair degree of commitment that we at Angry Zeppelin have for you, our viewers. It's so true.
All of this comes out of our own pockets, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see here on Angry Zeppelin.
Until next time, keep flying!